Jamesy, we're gonna make some pork sausage spaghetti bolognese. Can you say bolognese?
Bolognese.
James is gonna help me make some spaghetti now. Pork sausage spaghetti bolognese. We love HelloFresh because it just shakes things up every once in a while. It's so easy and delicious every single time. And we get to try new things. One of the things that I particularly have noticed that HelloFresh just knocks it out of the park is their spices. They're so good.
What is that?
This is our marinara sauce.
What is that?
Those are noodles. Can you help me put them in?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go put them in the water. You use Piggy to pour them in?
Yeah.
Okay, and I'll use Forky. I did my best, James.
I'm not helping, but Jamesy, do you want your apron for cooking?
There you go, James.
James is about one thing, it would be procedures and protocol. It's important to wear this, huh?
Dad.
Okay, well that is cooking. Look at the other two recipes that we have here for our latest order. Beef and cheese tostadas, yum. And balsamic fake chicken, something I've never had. I decided on spaghetti today because I know the kids will love this the most. One of the reasons we love HelloFresh is because they source over 90% of their products directly from the growers. It just tastes so fresh and so good. This is almost done. Let's see how the kids and Ashley like it. Okay, Jamesy, our creation is almost done. Can you just sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on there?
Yeah.
Okay, can you put it on there right there? Tip it, oh, there you go. Yum.
I feel ready.
Wow, did you make it for me?
Yeah. Well, it's there.
How is it?
It's really good.